Hello, everyone, and good morning. My name is Obadiah. I'm so excited to be here with you today at a live virtual assembly. I love water. Wah, 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 water. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I love water. Wah, 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 water. H2O. I love water. Yes, I do.
I love water, me too.
I love water more than you.
No, you don't. That's not true, because I love drinking from a fountain.
River rafting down a mountain.
Well, new friends, I am going to sing about water, of course, but in this song, I'm going to sing how water changes form. You know about that, right? Well, sometimes water is frozen, solid. Sometimes it's liquidy, and we can drink it and take a shower and clean with it. And sometimes it's changing, it's transitioning. It could be vapor or gas, right? So we could have a solid, liquid, or a gas, and I'll show you the fun game later on. But right now, let's get to some rockin' music, shall we? Falling snow in a storm is water in solid form, and ice that's nice and frozen. Ooh, then it melts when it's warm, turns into liquid form like a river that glimmers and is flowing. But when it disappears into the atmosphere, ooh, things are getting so cold that water is freezing, and now it's solid. Who got solid? Yes. Good. Emily got solid. Okay, let's keep going.
Somebody stole my puddle.
I'm calling the water police. Wait a minute. I only need to call a scientist. What happened to Obadiah's puddle? It evaporated.
Please.
Pewee, I will get you a drink of water, but I want to make a point.
Make a point, just give me a drink of water, please. I'm thirsty.
Okay, Pewee.
Whoa.
Open up wide.
Whoa,
Really
now
wide
you're
and
talking.
out.
Okay, yeah.
One drop of water.
One drop of water.
That's all you get.
What's your point?
My point is that if they didn't bring water here from other places, this place would be a desert.
What? No, it wouldn't. If it were a desert, where would be the camels? No camels. Yeah, camel.
Pewee, I'm just,
No camels.
not all deserts have camels.
How much water do you need the water from grass?
Oh, wow. That is a great question. That is about being water wise.
Yeah, you don't want to water for like 2 hours. That
No,
would
you
waste
don't.
water.
Yeah, you want to water for about 10 to 15 minutes.
Because it's like healthy and good.
Wow, that is a great point. I think you could probably do this assembly for us sometime. You know a lot about water.
You need water to survive.
You need
right?
water to survive. He
You
was
can't
saying
survive without water.
that's right. He's saying drink water at lunch. I think he also said that you have to ask your teacher to get up and get water.
Miss Teacher, may I have a drink of water?
That's good.
On mountain tops, melted snow fills the creeks and the rivers flow. Accumulation in the sea below. And then it starts all over because it's a cycle. Colder and hotter make cycles of